Hello, welcome to Tekla Structures Designer 2024 course. This is Module 1, Part 3. Okay, in this part, we're going to be learning how to navigate our Tekla Structural Designer model. Okay, to start with, okay, we're in the 3D view. All right, so now to zoom into our model or zoom out, all we need to do is to scroll our mouse wheel. Okay, once you scroll your mouse wheel, you can zoom in or zoom out of your model. Okay, so number 2, to pan, you hold down your mouse wheel, okay, and move your mouse around. Okay, so once you hold your mouse wheel and move your mouse around, you'll be able to pan and see various aspects of your model. Okay, number 3, to rotate your model, all you need to do is to right click and move your mouse around. Okay, as you move your mouse around, okay, your model will be rotated and you'll be able to see various angles, okay, in your model. Okay, the third aspect is, okay, the view cube. Okay, we can also use the view cube to navigate around, okay, our model. Okay, top and different aspects of our model. So the view cube is sometimes very handy, okay, to zoom into our model. Okay, once I click here, I to zoom in to that specific angle. So in case your model becomes too small, you cannot see your model, just come and click on the specific aspect of your view cube and it will zoom to screen. All right, so that is that about our mouse operation. Okay, the last mouse operation is the right click, okay, button. Okay, so once you select any member, okay, and right click on the member, okay, so contextual menu will pop up. Okay, can delete the member, can copy. Okay, you can zoom out, zoom to selection. Okay, you can perform other operation on the member. Okay, now we are done with our mouse operations. Okay, we've covered zooming, okay, by scrolling the mouse wheel, panning, okay, by holding down the mouse wheel, okay, rotating, right clicking and moving your mouse wheel, and right clicking on a member to show the contextual menu. Okay, all right, now the next aspect we want to deal with is the structure tab of our project workspace. Okay, now we can use this structure tab to navigate through our project. Okay, I can open the base view. All I need to do is to double click on the base, okay, and the base plan will be displayed. Double click on the ground floor, okay, and the ground floor plan will be displayed. Okay, double click on the roof plan, okay, and the roof plan will be displayed. Okay, I can right click on any tab, okay, I can perform other operations on the tab. I can switch the view scene from structure to solver, result, okay, or review view. Okay, I can say new horizontal tab group or new vertical tab group. Okay, so with this now I have two views of my model. Okay, this is a roof plan, okay, and this is a ground floor. I can switch the ground floor to 3D view. Now, if there are too many views in my model, okay, and I want to close a lot of them, okay, then it's easy for me to come to a view and click on close. Okay, but there's another way I can do that. I can go to this 3D view, right click on it, and I will say close all but this. So that will leave me with the 3D view only. All right, if I want to see more views of my model, I can come back here. Okay, I'll click on the third floor. Okay, now open it. Okay, if I want to close it, I can right click and click on close. Okay, so I'll click on the second floor and open it. If I want to close, I can just come to this close button and click on close. All right, so with this now, I've covered navigating our Tekla Structural Designer model. Thank you.